Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet a curly Q. I will use this yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. So first of all we will make a slip knot. Now we will make chains. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24 and 25. I have made total 25 chains. Now into the third chain from the hook we will start working, making a half double crochet into the third chain. Now we will make another half double crochet into the same chain and make another half double crochet into the same chain. That means we will have total 3 half double crochets into the same chain. Now we will make half double crochet 3 times into the next chain. Now into the next chain, half double crochet 1, half double crochet 2 and half double crochet 3. That means we will have 3 half double crochets in each of the chain. This will give us a curl like that by making half double crochets 3 times in each of the chain across. Just simply repeat this process till the last chain. Curls will produce. We will set them. Now this is the last chain. We will make 3 half double crochets into this chain also. Now chain 1, pull the yarn. Now set the curls. This is the curly Q. If you want it bigger, just increase the chains. So if you like the video, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching and subscribing. Bye bye.